Hola, bon dia.
No, we did not get a new couch.
Or a dog.
We're busy dog sitting today. So this week we made a box to cover the electrical panels and tidy that up. And we also bought a cabinet for the bathroom to tidy up all of the random stuff in the bathroom. And I found an easier way to notch out the back of the curtain rod holders, plus a bunch of odds and ends that we're working on. Today we're building a box to go around our electrical panel and just clean up that corner, make everything look neat and tidy. So we're going to use some of the melamine and rip it down to the width that we need for our box. To start with, we're going to square up our ends. And this is how good my memory is today. I wrote the length that we need on my hand because I don't trust myself.
I don't trust you.
I don't trust me either. So I need 47.5. 47.5. Okay. And I'm going to mark that with my square. Double checking before I clamp it down.
Just like that?
Just like that. Perfect. Just like that.
Just like that.
Okay. I used L brackets to attach the frame to the backer board. I don't have footage of this because I was wrestling with it on my own while Grant was busy painting.
What you doing?
I'm marking the placement for the hinges. So I notched out the side so that the hinges fit completely flush inside the frame. And then that way when the door closes, the door will sit flush against the box. At least that's the plan. So I'm marking the side with the post to drill into the box, and then the other half I'll be attaching to the door, and then hopefully everything's gonna line up when I'm done.
We'll find out. Just do like a pilot hole. So you're not sliding all over the place with the tip of the screw. Like you did the other day. That was a little crooked.
How about now?
Perfect. Moment of truth. See if your door works.
Yeah, I can get up here first. Oh, look out.
Watch out.
Woo! It worked! Why do I sound surprised?
I don't know.
This one should have been slightly lower, but close enough. Now I just need one of those magnet things to keep it closed.
There you go.
There we go.
Now you've got your electrical all nice and hidden.
We got a new Aldi in town, which means there were a lot of good promotions, so we had to buy this. I was thinking of making one actually, but we got this for 30 euros, and I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have been able to make one for much cheaper, so it just made sense to buy it, and it's way faster. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch me assemble prefab furniture. Let's go check it out. Ta-da!
Magic.
So all of the crap that previously was sitting on top of our medicine cabinet is gone. All of the crap that was sitting on top of the washing machine is gone. And it's all relatively neat and tidy inside the cabinet.
Relatively.
And when I find all of our extra towels, they will go on these two shelves here.
On Drac shelf?
Yes, Drac has already claimed these as his shelves. But let's see how it survives its first load of laundry.
Good luck.
Yeah, we'll see if it shakes the crap out of it. I'm just finishing up a load of towels, and if we're going to have vibration during the spin cycle, this is about as much as we're going to get. I can feel a very faint vibration in the cabinet, so yeah, I think that's perfect.
Don't forget to give our video a like, share it with your friends, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you guys, and it helps our channel grow.
I found a faster, easier, more accurate way of cutting out the notches on the back of our curtain rod holders. So I've drawn the area that we need to cut out and drilled through in one corner with the smallest drill bit that will accommodate the blade of my coping saw. Next, I'm going to use my square to extend the lines for the sides onto the end. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm lining up my square with the line on the face. And creating a line that extends to the back. And let me just figure out which way I need to do this for the other side. So you just line up this edge here with your line. Like that. So this gives us a nice continuous line so that we can get a clean straight cut with our Suzuki saw. So we're just going to line it up like this. And we're going to cut through the corner so that you can keep your blade lined up on both surfaces, so the face and the end. And this makes sure that you're not tilting your blade while you're cutting. And it's going to maintain a nice, straight, even cut. So we've cut through to the point we need on the face. Now I'm going to change the angle of our saw. And we're going to cut in perpendicular until we reach that same point. Doing it this way has given us a nice clean cut that will take less sanding to clean it up. So that is our curtain rod holders ready to be varnished. They kind of look like brontosauruses. What you doing?
You start singing that Boney M song.
What Boney M song?
I want a divorce.
I don't know what you're talking about. I think you need to be a little more specific. They made a lot of songs.
I'm not gonna say
it. Love you. Well, what are you doing, monkey?
Cutting in.
Cutting in.
Don't step in the paint.
Try not to.
You should think I won't cut you.
Very nice. We made some more sun-dried tomatoes. These ones were drying for a couple of days. So Grant is going to put them in some oil so that we can use them over the next couple of weeks.
Little baby sun-dried tomatoes.
Yep. It actually worked quite well.
Yeah, we got quite a few of those little tiny cherry tomatoes.
Yeah.
Bay leaf, herb de Provence, just because that's how I roll. First.
Are you making the sound effects?
They're like little raisins.
Salty raisins.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we got actually quite a bit.
Yeah, it's actually more than I thought we had. So that's good. Mm-hmm. Let's get close up here. Perfect. So these cherry tomatoes were actually given to us by the neighbors. And I just cut them in half, salted them with some sea salt, and stuck them out in the sun for a couple of days.
Yes.
Well, they're looking pretty good. I guess we'll keep them in the fridge.
Yeah.
Good job. Thanks,
bud.
the curtain rod holders, the wood to frame in the window, and the 2 pieces for shelves in the medicine cabinet have been varnished. And the pieces for the medicine cabinet have been painted and varnished. The pieces for my new desktop and keyboard tray are waiting to be jointed and glued together. And I have a pretty good start on offcuts that I will be turning into a backsplash. So you can see we have quite a few ongoing projects. And I actually felt like we got nothing done this week, but you'll see we actually did get some stuff accomplished.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Take care, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye.